Do you want to see how we transform this into this? Ark Concrete will show you. The Ark Concrete crew arrives at the job site with earth-moving equipment. In this case, a skid loader. In order to get the surface flat and workable, the crew knocks down high dirt spots. The skid loader is then used to help distribute a base layer of stone. From here, the Ark Concrete crew racks out and levels the stone. The laser level is set to ensure a proper grade to the stone floor layer. A vibratory plate compactor helps provide proper compaction for the stone base layer. Floor height markings are placed along the skirt board in preparation for the concrete pour. The crew sets necessary framing to create clean edges for the concrete pad. With everything prepped for the pour, the concrete truck arrives on site. Utilizing buggies and wheelbarrows, the crew places concrete over the compacted stone. To level the wet concrete surface, the crew utilizes screed machines and bowl floats. As the floor begins to harden, the crew sets forth edging the concrete floor. The power trowel helps create a smooth, even finish. As the concrete sets, expansion joints are cut into the concrete pad. After the concrete is fully cured, it is ready for our customers' needs. When you need reliable, professional concrete work, Ark Concrete is your best pour decision. Call us today or visit us at arkrentals.com.